Okay, this is how to quickly edit a video on your iPhone without involving any third-party app. Okay, first is to tap on your Photos app. Once your Photos app opens, tap on the video you want to edit. Let me go with this one here, so I'll tap on it. Okay, the video is playing now, though the audio is muted. All right, so the next step to start the editing is to tap on the edit icon. Okay, you can see that here. On tapping on the edit icon, you will see the timeline at the bottom part here. Then you can start cropping out the part you don't want to have. All right, so you place your finger at one end. All right, after the play icon, then you drag to cut off the area you don't want to have. Okay, you can see as I'm moving my finger, is now telling me how many seconds or milliseconds I have cut already. Now I want to cut from the other end, so I'll place my finger in that section I have the arrow that is pointing towards the right. Okay, then I will drag again. Okay, until I have this safe area. This is what I want to have in this video. Okay, so you can play it to see how it plays by tapping on the play button. Then on the assumption that I'm okay with what I have here, the next step is to tap on done, which is the button at the top right. On tapping on done for the first time, you will see save video and save as new clip. When you select save video, it will replace the initial video, all right, the main original video. But if you select save as a new clip, it will be saved as a new video while the original video still retains its place. So let's go with the second option, save video as new clip. And it is saved, so I can go back, and that is that. So if you find this content helpful, consider subscribing to this channel. Okay, by hitting the subscribe button, hit the like button so that YouTube will recommend this video to more people, and see you next time.